Madam Speaker, this is a photo of an Aston Martin. It costs more than 3 million rand. Former Premier Nomvula Mokonyane kept it secretly in her garage after she was given it as a gift for her 50th birthday. According to evidence from the Zondo Commission, she allegedly received 50,000 rand a month from Bosasa, as well as meat and alcohol, and also allegedly security at her house in Kagiso. During her entire period as Premier, I used to check the Register of Interest, and none of this was declared in the Register of Interest. As you know, Nomvula Mokonyane went on to become the Minister of Water Affairs, where she was a total disaster. Her interference with the tender for Phase 2 of the Lesotho Highlands Water Project is the reason why we're not going to get water from there until 2028, when the original deadline was 2019.
An apple doesn't fall far away from the tree. Mangashongo kahle seniyongicorrecta la ku comment section. Kodwa njengoba kaduzwa le video ikhuluma ngezinto ezavela kwiZondo Commission of Inquiry ngesikhathi kwakhulunywa ngeinsolo ze corruption umama lo Nomvula Mokonyane involved kuyo. Ngithe uma ngithi ngiyabrowsa ngazithela phe kwearticle ethi indodakazi yakhe has been ordered by court ukuthi ikhokhe 14 million rand emalini ze-PPE. Ngaphambi sifunde nje lo article, ngiyafisa ukubeka lokhu ukuthi abantu be-ANC abananembeza. Ngesikhathi abantu befa ngeCovid, ngesikhathi abantu bebelahlekelwa zihlobo zabo, kufuneka kube khona izinsiza, kufuneka kube khona izinto ezizobalekelela. Bona balutha ngaleso sikhathi. Okungenzeka ukuthi bakhona abantu abafa kungafanele, kodwa ngenxa ukuthi ama-resources ayiseluthwe ilabantu be-ANC. Ibhlungu lapho le ndaba. I-report evela ku-SIU ifundeka kanje. SIU working for you. Mpumalanga PPE tender worth over 14 million rand declared invalid and unlawful. Mokonyane and Mgudlwa ordered to pay back profit earned. The Special Investigating Unit, also known as SIU, welcomed the two judgments handed down by the Special Tribunal, which reviewed and set aside unlawful contracts awarded by the Mpumalanga Department of Health during the COVID-19 pandemic.
People say ANC is corrupt. I am saying to you, ANC is not corrupt. ANC is fighting corruption every day. ANC today doesn't take responsibility for its individual members who are caught up in corrupt activities.
Wathi Trevor Noah ngelinye ilanga ukakhathazeke uma amalungu ANC ezokhuluma, whether i-media briefing or azo address umphakathi, ngoba labantu bathatha umsebenzi wabo. Kumsebenzi wabo njengama-comedian ukuthi bame phambi kwabantu bakhulume amahlaya abantu bahleke. Kodwa ngendlela i-ANC esiyenza ngayo manje isizothatha umsebenzi wayo, ngoba abantu sebezohleka manje abasezukuyithatha serious. Cabanga nje kulento kwakhulunywa ngayo kuZondo Commission, kule video engangikudlalela ebengiqale ngayo engikudlalele yona. Into kwakhulunywa ngayo kuZondo Commission kukhulunywa ngomama Nomvula Mokonyane. Kwi-judgment ephumile ye-tribunal, SIU isireportela ukuthi they've been ordered ukuthi indodakazi yakhe ke manje uNomvula Mokonyane, angazi nobani bamsene naye, kufuneka bakhokhe 14 million rand bayibuyisele back, ngoba lo mali leyo bayithola kungafanele, leyo tender bayithola kungafanele. Bese lalela umbalula nje athi ANC ayikho corrupt. Akulona ihlaya lelo. Ushinje ungayeka yonke into yenza ukuthi uzolalela umbalula ekhuluma ngoba kunento ezibalekile azozisho. Ngiyabuza nje, ngicela ukuzwa ngawe. Asifundi judgment le bese sayivala ivideo. Lolu udaba obeluphakathi kwe-Special Investigating Unit okuyiyona engummangali, ibona abavula icala. Bemangalela members of Executive Council responsible for health in the Mpumalanga Provincial Government. Kumangalo lokuqala bese kuba the head of Department of Mpumalanga Department of Health kummangalelwa wesibili. Kube iTAC Group Pty Ltd kummangalelwa wesithathu. Kube iBonelela Mgudlwa kummangalelwa wesine. Kube uKatleho O'Hara Mokonyane okummangalelwa wesihlanu. Judgment le ifundeka kanje. Makhoba J 1. The parties agreed that this tribunal hears both matters together because the parties are the same and both matters are similar in nature. Case number MP02/2025. 2. In regard to the above case number, the Special Investigating Unit seeks to review and set aside contracts for the procurement of 60,000 surgical masks used during COVID-19 pandemic. Further, the SIU seeks to recover public funds wrongfully paid by the state. 3. The procurement was initiated by the Mpumalanga Department of Health in April 2020. The third respondent was awarded the contract on 8 April 2020. 4. Authorized by the Presidential Proclamation R23 of 2020, the SIU says that the procurement frequently violated the constitutional and statutory procurement framework designed to ensure fairness, competitiveness, transparency, and cost effectiveness. 5. Moreover, the applicant argues that the process unlawfully deviated from mandatory transversal contract. It bypassed internal bid committees and involved a supplier that was neither accredited for medical suppliers nor licensed by SAPRA to distribute medical service. 6. In addition, it is argued that the directors of the third respondent, TAC Group, failed to disclose material conflict of interest. 32.4. The department's acceptance of non-compliant bid violated the legality of reward. 33. In Special Investigating Unit versus Nozinhle Construction and Project CC and others, it was held that a contract for supply of surgical mask without SAPRA medical device establishment license is unlawful and void ab initio. 34. I am therefore of the view that the contract in both matters are constitutionally invalid and void ab initio. The contract in both matters are reviewed and set aside. 35. I am further of the view that corporate veil must be pierced in respect of the two directors and the disgorgement of profit unlawfully derived by the respondent from the void contract. 36. I make the following order. The draft orders mark X and Y are made the order of the court. Ngobuzule ukuthi babypassa imithetho eminingi bathola labantu bengafanele bengekhona registered kodwa ngenxa yokuba politically connected ingakho bakwazi ukuthola le tender. Namhlanje kushubile funa bayikhokhe back le 14 million. Uthe umbalula ANC is not corrupt. Yazi ngeke ngabona ivideo omunye ubaba la echaza ukuthi kungani amalungu ANC funa enze sure ukuthi aqhuqhumezela ukuthi abantu abavote. Ukhuluma isimanga lo yababa. Ngicela ukucaphunela yena.
You know ukuthi ukufika njani kuphi. Umuntu uhleli lahleli khona nokuqualify lahleli khona ka qualify. We must tell you God. I'll qualify la uhleli khona. Let nabafika basi skills audit. Ngiyakwazi lokwesilwane lokho. Basi skills audit. Awu shame bafike bathi akumaralana uhleli la. bathi bafuna ini leso manje ufike njani mina 14 years la bathi sifuna le paper sifuna ukuthi una how many years but okay it's fine angisibatobe ba procedure but it's fine so you advertise the post now ne right ukuthi apply le yaka bese bafaka letilo nekufanele lapha kwabo wena utofaka uphuma ungakafiki nala uyakho abathi nasebayeli shortlisting bathi kombe lo una 14 years asimnike lithu. It's when you will realize these AIDS it's so. All of us if you are saying 1 wambuta comrade tokutshela ukuthi nakaqala ukujoyina ku-youth league bekanokuhamba sebenza ka-stats what wambuta ukuthi nanyalo ngabe useseka-stats lo unako nyalo ngabe unako yini uthi ubhekana ngaba sinako nami lo unako ngangisinako because of the ANC wangwathi ukuthi nganguphi ngendaba someone you must check comrade kunala usuka ukuphila nabo lapha elokishini well educated than you ba uma ubuka impilo uthola ukuthi better than uphethu babide nasemhlanganweni bethe bakuhloniphe abahloniphe.
Ukhuluma into ebalulekile kakhulu uthi uma ngase kwenzeka baphume emandleni kuzongena abanye abantu bese bayabheka ukuthi abantu abakulama position bakufanele na ukuba kuwo kutholakala ukuthi abaqualify ngoba bangena ngenxa lento ekuthiwa i-cadre deployment. Uthi la kuzoqala khona inkinga ngoba bazothi nje no will re-advertise i-post uphinde nawo apply mawuthi uthi uya-applya uvele ubone ukuthi ama-requirement ayakukhipha ungakaqalwa nje lutho so uyabatshela ukuthi ababheke uzwenza umzekelo ngalo oku-youth league ukuthi kunezinto asenazo manje ngenxa yokuthi ufakwe kuma-position ngokuthi ephathe ikhadi elithize hhayi ngoba equalify. Uma ngabe senomuzi uma ngabe wayengafakwanga ngabe unawo nalowo muzi into ebuhlungu kukhona abantu abebequalify ukuba kulawo ma-position zange balithole ithuba kodwa ibalulekile lento eshoyelo baba ifuna ukuthi siyiqonde. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyacela ke ucomment ushare ulike ungasupporta ngokuba imember yale channel ungasupporta ukusidonatela noma ngamalini ikhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe